What it do, Scorpio? Yo, what's going on, gang? I think I'm gonna do a romance for you, Scorpio. We're gonna do a romance on you, baby, because it's about that time, right? It's about that time. So let's get it, let's go, Scorpio. I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all feeling lovely out here. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Okay, check out the playlist. It don't have to be yo. If the title call you on any other galaxy, zodiac, it's for you. Okay, it don't have to, say Scorpio. It can be a Taurus or a Gemini or something. All right. So let's shuffle these cards real quick. Matter of fact, let me go get another incense. All right. Go on and hit that thumbs up and be subscribing. All right. All right. I'll be back. All right, gang. Did y'all hit that subscribe button? Y'all hit that like button. Go on and hit that like button. Don't be scared to take 1 second. That's it, just a boop. Alright? Because I'm going to bring it to you. Clear the energy for Scorpio. We're going to do a Scorpio in love reading. Scorpio in love. Scorpio in love. Alright, let's get it. Let's go, Scorp. Let's get it. Let's go, Scorp. Alright. What's going on with Scorpio and their love life? What is going on with Scorpio when it comes to love? Moody's back. What's going on with Scorpio when it comes to love? Scorpio and love. Scorpio and love. Spirit, what is going on with the Scorpio watching? Tap in, Scorpio. Tap in, baby. Tap in, Scorpio. Y'all got a new love. Scorpio, you got some new love going on here. You catching feelings out here for somebody. Somebody is on your mind a lot. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So, Scorpio, when it comes to this person, look at you. When it comes to this person, you think about this person as in you fantasize about how the two of you can be with each other. It's like you got a whole fucking scene mapped out in your head when it comes to this person. You see potential in this relationship. You can see it going farther. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this person that you thinking about. I'm gonna get their feelings. Let's get their energy. All right. What is Scorpio's person feeling? What is the new person? Okay, he popped out, ready to tell it. Okay, heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly, discuss your feelings with each other, cross-watcher, because I know you coming. You here. Yeah, you. You feel this about Scorpio. Scorpio, you feel this. Y'all need to have a heart-to-heart conversation. Y'all need to honestly put y'all real thoughts on the table. Because if you holding back, I mean, what is it going to be? That's nothing because y'all holding back. You want it, talk. All right? Yeah. But when I look at this card, though, to keep it real 100, and I just saw this card, just peeked at it. This person, like, looking a whole nother way. It's like you on this person trying to kiss this person, but this person is like, damn, I just saw that shit. So, Scorpio, this person that you have romantic feelings for, It could be like a lot of shit that's unsaid that needs to be said, and this person, I feel like this person is thinking about. I'm not gonna say thinking about somebody else, but I'm gonna say that this person is probably thinking like, where are we going with this? This person probably be like, you want to do this and that with me, but I want to know where the fuck do we stand. You know what I'm saying? So for real, y'all gotta have a heart to heart conversation about what the fuck y'all want. All right, that's it to that. And I'm gonna get some let's pull out some tarot. Let's pull out some tarot, bro. Yeah. Yeah, cut the deck. We got 3 of swords here. With the 10 of cups in reverse. So somebody like feel heartbroken that like this shit ain't gonna make it far. Yeah, we got the tower in reverse too. With the sun in reverse. Wow. So if this a fucking new person, how the fuck heartbreak? Like maybe this person don't want to get hurt because when they get with you, you know what I'm saying? They don't want to break your heart. They don't want to break this happy thing y'all will have going on. I feel like somebody's scared to show their emotions. Somebody's scared to have like a talk. It's like somebody's scared of the truth here. It's like somebody got these feelings, but they don't want to talk about it. Scorpio. Yeah, King of Wands in reverse. Yeah, somebody don't, with the King of Wands in reverse, somebody don't want to speak out. Because the King of Wands is always outspoken and ambition and go for whatever the fuck. But this is in a reverse. So somebody, like I said, somebody ain't speaking up about how they feel in this. Give me more. Damn, we got a Knight of Pentacles too. So you ain't either. Right, King of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. This person want to talk to you. Or you want to talk to this person, but y'all ain't talking. Something's up with y'all, like, communication. Like, what the fuck is this? 2 people want each other, but they ain't talking. Give me more on this. This shit in reverse. Give me one more. Why the 9 of Pentacles not speaking up? Why King of Wands not speaking up? We got the High Priestess here. Yo, because probably some secrets was revealed. Maybe this person, Scorpio, knows some shit, but you don't know they know. Yeah, this person knows some of your secrets or found out your secrets. And I'm going to say from a King of Cups. Yeah, the King of Cups here. A King of Cups here ran their fucking mouth about some shit. And that's why this person not really speaking up on how the fuck they really feel, because they know something about you that they is not telling your ass. They is not fucking telling your ass. Give me more on this. What's up with this fucking King of Cups? What's up with the 10 of Cups? The King of Cups? Tower, yeah, somebody trying to create a tower. Somebody don't want you with this person, Scorpio, or maybe this person is watching you too. Because yeah, we got the 5 of Wands. It's battles and arguments going around you, Scorpio, and you don't even know what the fuck is going on. And that's just why this person is like this. It's just looking away because this person done heard some shit and this shit is playing back in their head of what this King of Cups told them. It's like they trying to create shit with what y'all got going on. So, Scorpio, say, you and this person, right? Y'all could be like going out on dates. People could see y'all together. People can see that y'all, you know what I'm saying, got some shit going on. And motherfuckers probably don't like it because they probably want Scorpio too. You know what I'm saying? But they see Scorpio with this other motherfucker. So motherfuckers go and tell some type of fucking secrets about you, Scorpio. Somebody know your secrets. This could be shit, an ex. This could be anybody really. But they trying to create like a tower when it comes to you and this person, 10-10 on the clock. Somebody don't want to see you with this person. Somebody don't want to see you with a new lover. Somebody don't want your feelings. Don't want you, like, you feeling no type of way for this person. Yo, this is like hate. Because like I said, this Five of Wands is here. Yeah, somebody is trying to create fucking mess for you, Scorpio. When it comes to you and this new love, this person that, you know, we got the Knight of Swords in reverse. Like, these people coming in and just fucking up shit. Just speedy, just because. But with the Nine of Cups here, it's like you feeling good. You feeling pleased, though. I feel like I said, I feel like you have potential. This person, you think that this relationship could have some potential here. But people coming in trying to fuck that up. I'm finna pull out some lesson cards. Give me lessons for this. Give me lessons for this. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. So you feel like you're going through a challenge anyway. We got peace here. All right. I am being of love and I release all negative energy. Yes, and we also have blame. I accept responsibility for my well-being. Yeah, so it's like you just trying to be out here and be peaceful and be loved out here. But it's like people want to try to come around and blame you for some madness. Probably, you know how when people know people and they try to bring up your past when they see you doing good and shit. That's what this person doing. That's what this King of Cups did. Went back and told your person some shit. All right, Scorp, and that's what I got for you when it comes. Oh no, wait. Oh, yo, Scorpio, wait. Okay, we're gonna pull a moon message for you. Let me get you a moon message before you get up out of here. All right. Give me something for Scorpio. Give me a moon message for Scorpio. What can Scorpio be looking forward to for the week? What can Scorpio be looking forward to for the week? Okay, I'm going to take both. Well, shit, 3 of them came out. We ain't going to take all them cards, y'all. I'm going to take these 2, though, because they hit the flow first. We got Moon in Aquarius. The time is right for celebrating life. Make the most of parties, gatherings, and other social opportunities. So, Scorpio, get out. Have you some fun. Celebrate life. Okay? Socialize with people, all right? We also got Moon in Gemini. All right? You could be dealing with an Aquarius or a Gemini as well, Scorpio. Stress may be an issue during this time. So, Scorpio, if you is going through a little stress this time, some shit kind of like worrying you down a little bit, just get out. Just get out, spend time with people you love. Like, party it up. Fuck that. Gather around. Have social events, all right? And Scorpio, I thank y'all for coming through, watching me. I thank y'all for subscribing me, showing the love that you show. I really appreciate that. And shit, I'm going to see y'all next time. Mwah.